In this video, I'm going to show you how to link AvaTrade to MT5. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside AvaTrade, you want to click at the very top right here on this arrow, and then next to accounts, click on See All. So I'm going to actually create a demo account and connect it, but you can do the same with a real account as well. So click Add an Account and then select your account. And here you want to just make sure it's actually an MT5 account, okay? So click on MT5, then select your base currency, click on Submit, and then your account is going to be created. Now after this, what's going to happen, you're going to need this login over here, as well as your password you actually use to sign in to AvaTrade, okay? So for me here, as you can see, I do have an MT5 account right here. You have to note the server and the login as well. And then after that, you have to go to MT5, click on File, top left, and then click on Open an Account. Here, look for AvaTrade and press enter, and it's going to pop up AvaTrade over here, and then you can just select which server you're for. So for example, for me, it's this server over here. I'm going to click on next. Then you have to go to the bottom here, connect with an existing trade account, and then the login is going to be your number. So for me, this is going to be my number inside my email over here, which I received as well. There we go. And then the password too. There we go. And then here it's going to be the demo account because I'm trying to sign into my demo account. Click on finish. And just like that, as you can see, I've now successfully linked my AvaTrade account to MT5. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.